What is up, creator? Today we're going to talk about OBS sound visualizers, and what these are basically shader programs that undulate all these wicked cool graphics, all these colors and amazing graphics to the sound of your favorite music. If you have a countdown script, this would be an awesome background for you. And if you're an OBS live streaming DJ, oh man, you are gonna love these graphics. Let's get some. Stay to the end of this video because I'm going to provide a link to a video I just made that is absolutely super cool. It will convert your typewritten text into the voices of famous people. It will literally freak your visitors out during your live stream. It will blow them out of the water. So don't forget to check that out after this video. Okay, let's get started with sound visualizers. Okay, the first visualizer we're going to dig into is the Sound Shader website. It has one effect, but you can add your microphone to it, which is really cool. The second thing we'll do is install the VLC visualizer. When you install VLC, it doesn't come with this, so I'm going to show you how to get it up and running real quick. And then finally, I'm going to show you how to use an incredibly powerful Chrome extension called the Audio Visualizer. Wait till you see what this thing can do. The options are almost unlimited. It's really incredible. Okay, let's dig into the Sound Shader website. Here we go. Okay, let's go to a website called soundshader.github.io. I'll put a link in the description. You are at the right place. If you see a black screen, I want you to take a look at the 4 buttons in the upper right-hand corner. If you touch the mic button and you have a mic plugged into your computer, you'll get a prompt that says, hey, soundshader.github wants to use your microphone. Click allow, and you'll see this blue circular thing appear. Take your mouse and put it at the bottom of the circle and slowly drag your mouse towards the top. And it will zoom in on the circle, and you begin to see how it will react with your voice. So you can see right now, it's reacting to my words as I speak them. Now it also will play MP3 songs, which is really cool. So if I click the MP3 button, it gives me a file prompt. I hit it open. Which is pretty cool. So you can add your own music, and you can do some pretty cool things with OBS, because what you can do is extract the black color and make it transparent, and then you could put it behind green screen as well. Maybe make it like eyeballs. You know what? Let me make a demonstration and I'll show you what I'm talking about right now. I think this will prove my point. Here we go. Check this out. Yes, I hope you enjoyed that demonstration. So if you're interested in how I made that in OBS, let me know in comments and I will make a new video for you specifically that helps you understand how to make it. I will put it right here for you so that you can make it for your own live stream down the road. Okay, let's move on to the VLC visualizer. This one's a good one. Okay, I want you to go to the following URL. Click the link in the description or Google how to install new audio visualizations in VLC. You know you're at the right place when you see that you're in the VLC help page. And there is a link that's called Project M Visualizations hosted in SoundForge. Click that link and it'll take you to this page. Click and download the file on the green button here. Click that. It'll download a tar file. Now, a tar file is very similar to a zip file, and you may or may not be able to uncompress this file. If you can't on your PC, I want you to download the following program. It's called 7-Zip. It's a very powerful program. It works just like WinZip, but it's free, and there's no nagware or anything. It's great. Upon uncompressing that file and getting the contents, the next step is to know where to place it inside of VLC. The easiest way to get to that path is to go in your taskbar, right-click on VLC, and then right-click on VLC Media Player, and go to Properties. Then look at the target. There are 2 possible locations of VLC on your computer. It's either going to be in C drive, Program Files x86, or just Program Files. In my case, it's in the Program Files x86 VideoLAN VLC folder. Once you get there, you need to create a folder called Visualizations, and then take the contents of the tar file and paste them into that location, and you will be good to go. Okay, I've started up VLC. I'm going to hit the play button on an MP3 that I've chosen, and I'm going to go into the audio dropdown and select visualizations. I'm going to select the spectrometer just to show you what it looks like. It's like this round thing. You can put your logo in the middle of it or do anything you want in regards to making your own music videos with OBS Studio. If you go to Audio, Visualizations, and select Project M, this will be the most exciting and cool visualizer available for VLC. If you select it and you see Project M cycling around just like some weird text, this is not what you should be seeing. This is not the actual visualizer. To get it to work, what you have to do is go to Tools, Preferences, down in the lower left-hand corner, under Show Settings, select All. And then under Audio, there is a clamshell called Visualizations. Click that, open it up, and select Project M. Now, these are different parameters for the various visualizers that are available with the visualizer, okay? And so to make Project M work, you need to go to the Project M preset path. So click Browse, and then find your visualization folder in your VLC installation folder. So go to your C drive. In my case, it's Program Files x86. Scroll down to Video LAN, VLC, the visualization folder, and then select Presets Milk Drop. Okay? Hit Select Folder and hit Save. Now, if I go back to the Audio tab, hit Visualizations and just, select another one for real quick, and go back in and select Project M. Now you get the real visualizations, okay? Cool. Now when selecting the preset lower score milk drop folder to make Project M function in the settings, you also have two more folders that will provide even more effects that you can see. One is called the preset lower score milk drop 104, and the other one is the preset lower score milk drop 200. So select those, have fun, and enjoy the effects. Here's a quick demo to see what this thing can do for you. And remember, you can extract the black background and make it invisible in OBS, so you can have a lot of flexibility. Here's the demo. This next one is off the hook. It is called the Audio Visualizer Extension for Chrome browsers or Chrome compatible browsers like Brave. This thing is super powerful. It has tons of options. I can't wait to show you the demo right now. I want to thank you very much for following along in this tutorial. If you're new to the channel, you can think of me as a video software explorer. I'm on an eternal quest to find all the cool software that will help make your videos super cool and very, very engaging for your viewers. If you like what you hear, subscribe and click the bell for a new video notification every single week. Get some! Okay, to get this extension installed, go to the Chrome Web Store, make sure that Extensions is selected, and in the search bar, type in Audio Visualizer, that's one word, and hit your Enter key, and it will take you to the first choice, which is the Audio Visualizer extension. Click that page and click Add to Brave. Okay, then you get a prompt in your upper right-hand corner that the Audio Visualizer has been added. You are in business. Okay, let's quickly review the settings for this thing. Okay, to get this thing to work, all you really have to do is go to a website that plays sound. So for example, I'm going to go to my account here, go to YouTube Studio, and head on over to the audio library and play a song that I have set up here. I'm going to play Prophet 7, which is a really great song. I'll turn the music down so it doesn't pick up on the mic. Now at this point, now that the music is playing, all I have to do is initiate the extension here and turn it on. Here we go. And it begins to play the standard milk drop animation. And these are shaders for sure. We're currently playing at 60 frames a second. And you can actually go into the individual scenes here and you can click it and it gives you a drop down. And there's all kinds of fantastic effects that you can choose from, including something called hexagon, which is kind of cool. And if you pick one like milk drop, for example, and go to scene settings, You have presets. So for example, for Milk Drop, you can have all these sub choices and have even more effects, which is actually really, really cool. Now, if you go to Milk Drop and you select Share Scene, it then clamshells open, and I want you to select Scene Sharing. And it takes you to a audio visualizer page with more wicked, super fun, cool codes that you can copy and import into the visualizer. So for example, I'm going to go to this one here. It looks like a bunch of circles. I'll click Get Scene, copy the little copy icon, go back into the visualizer, and there's an import field right here. I'm going to click Control V and paste the code in there, and then click Import Scene, and boom, now you get the actual code to play that individual saved code. Pretty cool. Okay, as promised, here's the tutorial link that will explain how to convert any typewritten language into the voice of famous people. Oh my God, no one is talking about this website. It is absolutely epic. I will catch you over there. I can't wait to show you. Yeah!
Stay strong and keep fighting.